Excuse me, sir. What's going on there, buddy? Hi. Where is it? Oh, you have to use your muscles and pull. Pull this way. Move this. Stand up. There you go. So I'm also trying to figure out some more settings on this new microphone. It's by Newer, and I really like their products. That one is green. So let me see. 1, 2, 3. I'm just testing out all of the different settings to see which one I like, because I don't like when my voice sounds like it's tunneled. That's what it's been sounding like, and so I might have to return this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see how it sounds. I know there's got to be more settings on this thing. Hello? Wait, what does the purple one mean? Okay, so I'm recording regular. I don't think I like this microphone, so I think I might have to return it because it's not loud enough. And I think I'm gonna have to go and get the more expensive one because I want a microphone that has two. The one that I have right now, the Rode mic, is only one, and it's just not, I need two.
Huh? What did you see going to Costco? What? When did you see Santa without me?
Because you had to come.
Because what?
Because you had to come.
I wasn't there.
You had to come with us.
Oh, well, where was I?
You was in the truck.
Oh, you saw Santa at HEB?
Yes!
Oh, cool.
Mommy, look.
Sing a song. My toned down the decibels, so hopefully it's not going to be as loud. You ate this all? Hunter, you need to throw this in the garbage.
I went to a birthday party.
And did you have fun?
Yes.
You had a lot of fun?
Yes.
Was it cold?
Yes.
Say it was cold.
It was cold. Daddy, what are you doing? Hey, Daddy. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you? Recording you.
Don't record me.
What are you doing?
You didn't hear Daddy?
What are you doing? No, so I said, what are you doing with the alarm? The alarm up there.
Changing it.
Changing it to what? Daddy, what are you doing? Daddy, what are you doing? What are you working on? Take a picture.
What are you taking a picture of?
Because you're working on something.
Why do you need to take a
So this is currently how my drawer looks with all of my Tupperware. So we're going to try to figure it out. We can actually get rid of this toaster because we don't need it. Here is my shelving unit. And come over here.
Does that look like a band-aid? What band-aid is that?
So I'm gonna take these out and
Mommy!
this is horrible, but I'm gonna do something like this. Take the lid and put it on top. I think this is actually my sister's, but we will see. And so I'll do something like that. Same with my circular ones with the lids on top. I'll just play around with it and figure it all out, and I'll show you how I make it look at the end.
All right, so I'm kind of like window shopping a little bit. I'm not finding anything. I just left Marshall's. Oh, they've got a Barnes and Nobles over here. I need to bring Hunter in here because he got a gift card from one of his grandma's friends. So, okay, I thought the only one was like further away, but to Nordstrom. You ready to go in?
Yes. What store?
How to make Legos.
So good. You grab.
This is an easy book.
Oh, that's not.
I don't like
The big book of Lego facts.
Some of them, you have to, what you
Oh,
call
I
it?
don't like it.
Yeah, I don't know why they're like
There's
that.
There's Minecraft books with Lego.
I found the Lego book. I found some Lego books. Lego City. Awesome,
in the middle.
awesome tales.
I'm not reading all that.
Look, right here is where you read it. And yes, you are reading all that.
Nice little gifts.
So tiny. Wait a minute, what's inside?
It's a candle.
I want to see how it smells. Mmm.
Making some pork chops, and this is my first time putting it in this little fryer, or not fryer, but oven. But this is really cool. It's got an auto eject rack, which is just because it's magnet. So you open it and then the rack comes out. And so we'll see how it turns out with the food in here. Well, let's see how it looks. Oh, wow. That looks so yummy. It smells delicious. And I'm using my new utensils to flip. I'm gonna flip it.
Mommy, do you see this fake fire?
Yes.
The fire's for when.
What I like about you. How cute is this little butter dish that I got from IKEA?
Jackie, Mommy.
Yes.
This out.
How cute is this butter dish? All right, this is pretty much what it looks like. I did smothered pork chops, and I'm eating it with some vegetables and rice. Let's grub. Want more?
I want more. What? 4. I wish I could use my Lego. I wish I could use my Lego pen to a school. fell into 1,000,000,000 hearts for Mr. Minute. Guess what Mr. Minute hang up?
What?
My picture of 1,000 hearts.
Oh, how nice. How sweet.
Why do I have a spoon?
Since that's how you eat your rice.